Equivalent equations. If we examine the log function, it can be rewritten in an equivalent form as an exponential. Notice the b, the base of the log function, becomes the base of the exponential function. And the output here becomes the exponent, and what's in parentheses becomes the output over here. So if we solve for b or for x by writing a log function in its equivalent exponential form, we're going to look at log base b of 81 equals 4. And our first step will be to rewrite it in exponential form. So the b will be our base, the 4 will be the exponent, and it will be set equal to 81. So b to the 4th equals 81. To solve this, if you remember, we take and raise both sides to the 1/4 power, giving us b equals plus or minus 81 to the 1/4 power. This gives us plus or minus 3, but in a log function, b must be a positive number, so we're only going to use the positive value of 3. When entering 81 to the 1/4 power in your calculator, please remember that usually you will need to put the exponent inside parentheses. Please try these problems from your textbook on page 280. The directions ask for you to solve for x or b. On each of these, you are going to use the property of rewriting the logs in their equivalent exponential form. Pause the video and give them a try. The solutions are on the next slide. Please pause the video here to review these solutions, and if you have more questions, please ask your instructor. Thank you for watching.